Opening an account at Vanguard is a straightforward process. Visit the Vanguard website, navigate to the official Vanguard website, select Open an account. Look for the option to open an account or a similar link, usually located prominently on the homepage. Choose account type. Vanguard offers various account types, including brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and education savings accounts. Select the type of account you want to open. Fill out application. Complete the online application form with accurate personal information, including your name, address, social security number, employment details, and financial information. Provide documentation. You may need to upload or provide documents to verify your identity and address, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and possibly financial statements. Review and agree to terms. Carefully review the terms and conditions of opening an account with Vanguard, including any fees, investment options, and account policies. Agree to these terms to proceed. Fund your account. Once your account is approved, you will need to fund it. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account to your new Vanguard account. Start investing. Once your account is funded, you can start investing in Vanguard's wide range of mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment products.